Oh no.
It's too fat.
I think we got too big of a tree this year. How much do you think that weighs? Sheesh.
One of the cats went running away.
They're like, oh shoot, what is that?
The back end, at least by itself, weighs about 80 pounds.
Wow. That was a big tree this time. Thank you for helping them, Charles.
It's a Hagrid now.
Here comes Sam. He's curious about the big old thing.
I don't think he should be so close. Sammy, don't be curious. Step back.
Is this good stand big enough?
Yeah.
Is there praying mantises in there?
Yeah, little curious. Little curious cat. Curious cats just stay their distance away from the tree. Okay, you can stay here, okay? Don't get too close. What? You're recording me?
Yes,
Why?
because...
Because I exist.
Yeah, because you exist. Adrian must be taking a nap. She didn't even come down. Oh my gosh. Oh man. There's a big tree.
It's only a couple inches from the ceiling. The ceiling's right.
Yeah.
Some of the branches are escaping.
There's Charles, who's never in the videos. I got him on camera. He's alive. He exists.
Huge tree.
We're going to have to do some rearranging.